Introducing the next level of indoor exercise, the Personal Workout Pod. Reserve your pods easily on our website or the app. When you arrive, grab your mask. You are a quick temperature check away from a great workout. Each workout pod has your equipment, sanitizing supplies, a HEPA air filter, and physical barrier wall that keep you at a safe distance from others so that you can focus on what's important, your workout. Use the hospital-grade EPA-approved disinfectant to clean your equipment before and after use. When it's time to go, spray and leave it wet to sanitize. Since 2002, we've made it our business to keep you healthy, fit, and strong. Our staff can't wait to welcome you in.